Good morning, children. Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Now today we are going to discuss the topic some basic concept in physics. So before we start the first chapter motion, we should know about what is physical quantities. Physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured accurately. So what is physical quantities? Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured accurately. And physical quantities is of two types. First one is fundamental physical quantities and second one is derived physical quantities. So first one is fundamental physical quantity and second one is derived physical quantity. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities. So first we discuss what is fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities are those quantities which cannot be defined in other terms of any physical quantities. And derived physical quantities are those quantities which can be expressed, which can be defined in terms of fundamental physical quantities. So what are fundamental physical quantities? Fundamental physical quantities are those quantities which can be defined or expressed, which cannot be expressed, which cannot be defined in terms of other physical quantities. As for example, length, current, mass, time, and derived physical quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental physical quantities, that is density, velocity, etc. So there are now we discuss the how many fundamental physical quantities. So there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities, and the units of these fundamental physical quantities are called fundamental units or basic units. Basic units. So 7 first one is length. Second is mass. Third one is time. Fourth one is electric current, and fifth one is temperature. Sixth one is luminous intensity, and seventh one is amount of substance. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities. First one is length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of the substance. Now what is the unit of these fundamental physical quantities? And the units of these fundamental quantities are called basic units or fundamental units. Fundamental units. So length is measured in meter, and symbol of meter is m. Mass, the basic unit of mass is kilogram, and symbol is kg. Third one is time. Time is measured in second. Symbol is S. Electric current is measured in ampere, and symbol is A. Temperature is measured in Kelvin, and symbol is K. Luminous intensity is measured in candela, and symbol is CD. And amount of the substance is measured in mole, and symbol is, it is you write only simply in mole. So these are the 7 fundamental physical quantities, and units of these fundamental quantities are called basic units or fundamental units. So there are 7 basic units and 7 fundamental physical quantities. Thank you.